Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this exciting video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys the crucial steps that you should take after finally paying off your mortgage. If you did not watch part 1, where I discussed the steps to take before you pay off your mortgage, make sure you check that video out. I will have that video in the pinned comment for this particular video, so make sure you go ahead and watch that video first and then roll back over here to go ahead and get caught up on this one, or watch this one first and then go back and watch that one. Let's go ahead and dive into the post-mortgage payoff journey. First of all, guys, congratulations if you paid off your mortgage and you've achieved financial freedom. You took the steps in the video that I shared, and now you're wondering, what do I do next? Let's go ahead and walk through the next steps after paying your mortgage. And these are things that I was able to do and that I'm sharing with you guys from personal experience, okay? All right, number 1, let's go ahead and celebrate. So take a moment to savor the milestone. You have definitely worked hard for it. You made the sacrifices, you budgeted consistently, you side hustled your heart out, and now you own your home outright. Enjoy definitely the fruits of your hard work and what you have accomplished. Now, maybe that's a mortgage burning party, going out to a fancy restaurant, taking a well-deserved vacation, treating yourself to an experience, or whatever your heart desires. You have definitely earned celebrating, okay? Now, I will say I didn't celebrate properly, okay? And that is because I was in the middle of a brand new school year, teaching and getting my own kids settled into their schools. However, I highly encourage that you make plans ahead of time for your celebration that you will be doing once you paid off your mortgage. Step number 2 that you should do after paying off your mortgage is you want to contact your homeowner's insurance company. Inform them you no longer have a mortgage and that you will need any future billings, documentation, paperwork sent to your home directly. Over the phone with you, they will make a note of this on your account and verify your address, just to make sure that they have all their information correct and current. If you were paying monthly escrow payments to your mortgage company, which were your property taxes and your homeowner's insurance, this will now be your responsibility, guys, okay, to make sure that you pay that on the time schedule with your county or your insurance company, whatever date that they state. You want to make sure that you are saving enough monthly to fulfill the financial requirements of paying it on time. I know this was such an easy process for me, honestly, and my company did not require any type of documentation. They just basically asked me what was going on. I told them what had happened, and they stated that they were making the change. So you want to make sure that you put on a home physical calendar, or digital if you plan better digitally, okay, when this payment will be due for you regarding home insurance, okay? So that is step number 2. Step number 3 is you want to request an escrow refund from your former mortgage company. Don't you just like the sound of that? The former mortgage company, okay? My company automatically sent me a letter stating the amount of the escrow refund and the time frame of when the check would be mailed out to me. However, if yours does not do this, you need to verify by calling a representative to find out this information. After all, this is money your mortgage company owes you. They are not supposed to be keeping this, okay? It's not theirs, all right? So it's yours. As stated, it is for your property tax bill and your homeowner's insurance. So you want that money back with you, okay? This is not money to go shopping with. They kept it for you, but we continue on with what they were doing with paying our bills and all of those things, okay? When I received my escrow refund, I immediately put it in a high yield savings account. I want the money to grow for me and continue adding to it monthly. So just like when I was doing it each month and I was sending it, or it was going in with the payment at the beginning of the month, I'm continuing to save that money each month, okay? So you want to make sure that you continue those habits of figuring out how much you need to save in order to have enough to pay for both bills when it comes up, okay? And that is step 3 for when you pay off your mortgage and what needs to happen next. Step 5 of after you pay off your mortgage, what needs to occur is get the Satisfactory of Lien physical paperwork from your former mortgage company. This basically is documents from your mortgage company stating that you have satisfied paying off your loan and you no longer owe them. This is very, very, very important. For me, it was about 2 to 3 pages long, and it stated the mortgage company would notify my county office so more official legal paperwork could be filed with them. Any and all paperwork the former mortgage company provided to me, I have it filed in a safe. I highly recommend that you keep all of those documents in a safe out of common areas. It's a huge accomplishment to pay off your home, and any document stating that should be guarded as such. Next, that brings us to step number 5 of after you pay off your mortgage, what you should do. You need to get your official deed. So my county clerk office did not mail me anything stating I was officially the homeowner of my property. I waited around for about a month and nothing came in the mail. So I actually had to go to the county clerk office and get the official deed for my home stating that I was the homeowner. You want this documentation with you. After all, you wouldn't pay for an item in full and not get a receipt, as proof of payment, right? So to be on the safe side, the deed and any other paperwork I received from the county clerk office, I asked for 2 copies of them. Yes, I did ask for 2 copies. Okay, now it's not free. Well, it wasn't free for my county clerk office, but it may be free for you. It just kind of depends. There was a small fee of $2 per copy, but that is a small price to pay, in my opinion, for documentation that states I own the property that is worth $260,000. There is no better feeling than walking out with the deed in your hand. Trust me on this. I actually documented the whole process and took my subbies along with me when I went to get my documentation. I will have that video in the pinned comment for you to watch. This deed needs to be put in a safe too, okay? It's valuable and what you worked hard for with your sacrifices of paying off your mortgage, okay? So those are the 5 steps that I took and that you should too after you pay off your mortgage. That is basically where it's at. There you have it, guys, okay? So the next steps after paying off your mortgage, you definitely want to look at your financial state and where you can maybe add more money and where money needs to go now. I could talk about that in a whole separate video, okay? But for sure, you want to make sure that you are enjoying all of the possibilities with the latest milestone and continue to build your financial success, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to watch other videos that I mentioned in the pinned comment for more inspiration. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will talk with you later. Bye.